Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT X20, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that you, for instance, just don't know. So as an example, or not as an example, but just going straight to it, you can see that I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from here as though I don't know it. So right now I'm on a lock screen and I'm gonna power off the device. Now once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up together. So let's wait for it to turn off. Okay, there we go. So now that it's off, power key and volume up at the same time. And we get the CUBOT logo. Let go of the power key, but keep holding volume up. This will take you to the recovery mode, at which point you can also let go of the volume up key. So in here you will need to use volume keys to navigate. As you can see, volume down goes down and up goes up. And using those keys you want to select wipe data factory reset, confirm it with power key, select yes, same way. Will give you formatting data and then data wipe complete. There we go. At which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once more to reboot the device, which will continue the process in the background, and it will take a little bit longer for the device to boot up, but once it's finished you should be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.